Sup bitches, it's Little Huey from the Little Squad bringing you another video today. Today I'm playing some Rocket League here. We're going to do some one-on-ones. All my mates are currently offline. So let's just get right on into it. Fair time. On a break. I think this guy gave up. Boom. It's just that easy. My dog could shit on the keyboard and still play better than me. Fair time. On a break. I think this guy gave up. Boom. It's just that easy. My dog could shit on the keyboard and still play better than me. Okay, we got this. No worries. Freaking gonna wreck me. Watch me. Oh, look at this guy. Doesn't even. Boom. Oh! Why am I just so freaking bad? Oh boy. Fuck. Fuck. Ah, fricker diggers. This guy's pretty dandy good. Oh, damn, he's just so fucking bad. Whoa! Little Huey strikes again with the first goal of the game. MLG Pro, as you saw it there on the flag, because we all know I'm getting signed by FaZe to do these 360 car flips into the goals. We all know it. I'm going to get signed by Real Madrid. Watch me. Ronaldo, I'm coming for you. Watch me. Didn't even hit it, but I still missed because I'm just that freaking good, you know? Freaking mate. Sook my arse. Oh, fuck. Nope, he scored. No, he didn't. I can't. Oh! Oh, this is gonna be a good replay. Let's just... Oh, boy. He'll be regretting that one. Cause of bacon! Bacon! No! There we go. Perfect. What the heck just happened? Why is everything... Fly with the ball! Woo! Baby, Little Huey strikes again! Instead of having... Look at the hat trick. Ronaldo thinks he's got one up on me. Psych, Ronaldo! My freaking balls are going 50 kilometers. Okay, that came out wrong. Fuck. Oh, queer. Oh! Okay, I'm bad. Queer, mate! Whoa! Little Huey strikes again for 2-12-12. There we go, baby. Bacon. I'm coming for you. I'm unstoppable. Could I? Please. Ah! Boyka! Making it rain. Making it rain. Up in the club. Up in the stripe club. Making it rain, making it rain, making it rain. Dude, if Ronaldo